Your gut is like the engine of your body. It keeps everything running smoothly, fueling your energy and maintaining balance. But what happens when something silently sabotages it? Mold exposure is one of those hidden disruptors, capable of throwing your digestive system into disarray without you even realizing it. From bloating and food intolerances to chronic inflammation and leaky gut, mold toxins, mycotoxins, can destabilize this delicate ecosystem of your digestive system. Hi, I'm Alexis Wadeland, osteopath, and co-founder of Blossoming Me and Healthy Learning Lounge. Join me as I explore how mold impacts your gut and the symptoms that you might notice, plus the steps that you can take to help restore balance. Your gut lining acts as a protective barrier, allowing nutrients into your body while keeping harmful substances out. But when mycotoxins enter your system, they can compromise this barrier, leading to leaky gut syndrome. This condition allows undigested food particles, toxins, and pathogens to leak into the bloodstream, triggering widespread inflammation. Leaky gut is more than just one of those buzzwords. It's linked to symptoms like chronic bloating and discomfort, increased food sensitivities and intolerances, systemic inflammation affecting your joints, your skin, your mental clarity, and even chronic illnesses. When this protective barrier is damaged, the effect ripples throughout your body, making recovery essential for all over health. Your gut isn't just a single organ. It's home to trillions of microorganisms working together in a complex ecosystem called the microbiome. These bacteria and fungi, as well as other microbes, are vital for digestion, immunity, and mental health. Unfortunately, mold toxins can really upset this balance, creating a condition known as gut dysbiosis, where harmful microbes thrive and beneficial bacteria are suppressed. Symptoms of gut dysbiosis include diarrhea and/or constipation, increased cravings for sugary or carb-heavy foods, weakened immunity because a significant portion of your immune system actually resides within your gut. Restoring balance to your microbiome is a critical part of reclaiming your digestive health, as well as your overall health. Have you noticed that certain foods can trigger gas or bloating or other discomfort and pain? Maybe even that these things didn't bother you before, but they're starting to now? Because mold exposure could be the reason. Mycotoxins weaken your digestive enzymes, making it harder for your body to break down certain foods. And this often then leads to heightened food intolerances, particularly to gluten and dairy and histamine-rich foods. Over time, the combination of poor digestion and inflammation creates a vicious cycle, further straining your gut. Identifying and addressing these intolerances is an important step in your recovery. Your gut and your brain are deeply intertwined through the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system that connects your emotional and physical health. When mold disrupts your gut, it can send inflammatory signals to your brain, contributing to symptoms like anxiety or depression, brain fog and difficulty concentrating, and fatigue that just doesn't seem to lift. By healing your gut, you can also calm your mind, improving both your digestive health and your emotional well-being. Steps to reclaim your gut health and recover from mold-related gut dysfunction requires a really holistic approach. First, we need to remove mold exposure, addressing the source by identifying and eliminating mold from your home and/or workplace. Repair your gut lining. Nourish your gut with foods that are rich in glutamine, like bone broth. This will help to rebuild the protective barrier of the gut lining. Repopulate your gut microbiome by introducing beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, and eating prebiotic-rich foods to restore the balance. Reduce inflammation. Incorporating anti-inflammatory practices like yoga, meditation, and gentle exercise to calm your body's stress response and your nervous system response to the mold toxins. And boosting your body's natural detoxification, partly by hydrating with plenty of water. Consider maybe infusing it with lemon or ginger to help your digestion and to help to flush toxins. Healing your gut doesn't just improve your digestion. It has the potential to transform your overall health. Have you been feeling stuck with gut health challenges? If so, my new mini course, Soothe, your nervous system for healing, provides actionable steps to help to calm your nervous system, making way for your digestive system to heal, balance, rebuild your microbiome, and reduce your symptoms, so that you can start your journey to recovery. If this interests you, make sure you click the pre-registration link below.
So that's it for today. Did it raise any questions or aha moments? If so, I'd love to hear them, so please put those in the comments section. I love answering questions. I hope you found today useful. And if you know someone who could use this information, please share it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, and in health, bye for now.